Welcome to this EKE 100 configuration video 3 about how to use the display interface to configure the EKE 100 as a valve driver for one ETS 12C stepper motor valve. The EKE 100 1V and 2V versions with built-in display can be configured by using the display interface. The display interface configuration is split into 5 small videos, which includes Video 1, showing basic navigation between the different setting modes, including using the keypads and understanding the display readings. Video 2, showing how to do basic settings, including configuring the EKE 100 as a superheat controller or a valve driver. Video 3, showing how to configure the EKE 100 as a valve driver for one stepper motor valve. Video 4, showing how to configure the EKE 100 as a superheat controller for one stepper motor valve, including configuration of one pressure transmitter and one temperature sensor. And video 5, showing how to configure the EKE 100, allowing you to manually operate a valve. In these videos, we'll give you important configuration tips, ensuring your safe and reliable system operation. So go ahead and check out the EKE 100 display interface configuration video, which will meet your needs. In this EKE 100 display interface configuration video 3, we will show you how to unlock the EKE 100 so that you can configure it, how to set the EKE 100 as a valve driver for a stepper motor valve, and how to set the EKE 100 valve driver input signal. We will also show you how to do the EKE 100 valve configuration by selecting a stepper motor valve, how to set the EKE 100 2V version for one valve operation only, and finally, how to lock the EKE 100 again after completing the setting. It is very important to ensure that the EKE 100 is correctly mechanically and electrically installed before starting up the EKE 100 and starting to configure it. The EKE 100 should always be installed and connected to other equipment according to the guidelines given in relevant literature, such as the installation and user guides for the EKE 100 and other equipment. Please note that there are free EKE 100 online installation videos available to ensure safe and reliable installation and system operation. All EKE 100 display interface configuration examples are done with the EKE 100 located in a demo rack, but the configuration procedure is the same for the EKE 100 located in a refrigeration system. We demonstrate the EKE 100 display interface configuration by using the EKE 100 2V version, as seen here. Most configuration procedures and the navigation structure are identical for the EKE 100 1V and 2V versions. However, whenever there are any deviations, then we will highlight this during the configuration videos. So let us start using the display interface. The basic uses of the EKE 100 display interface and the EKE 100 basic settings are explained in the EKE 100 online display interface configuration videos 1 and 2. As mentioned in these videos, then the EKE 100 always starts in home mode, as shown here with HO. As also mentioned, then before you can configure the EKE 100, you first need to unlock it. This is done as follows. From the home mode, press the arrow down key to get to the basic settings, specified as SET. Press the enter key to access the main switch, specified as CR12. Press the enter key again, which will set the main switch as off, as seen here. The EKE 100 is now unlocked. Press the exit key to move one step back in the navigation structure so that you can start the EKE 100 configuration. Please refer to the EKE 100 online display interface configuration videos 1 and 2 and the EKE 100 user guide for details about how to read the display, understand the settings, navigation structure, and understand the parameter abbreviations. You can now start to configure the EKE 100. Unlocking the EKE 100 is shown in the following sequence. We will in this example configure the EKE 100 as a valve driver for one ETS 12C stepper motor valve, and it is done as follows. From the main switch CR12 mode, press the arrow down key to access the operation mode A, specified as ACTR. Press the Enter key to access the available operating modes. As seen from the operation mode overview shown here, then the value should be set as 1 for a valve driver, here specified as valve driver. Press the arrow up or arrow down keys to get the needed value. Press the Enter key to confirm the value 1 and return to the ACTR mode. Press the arrow up key to return to the main switch CR12 mode. Please refer to the EKE 100 user guide for details about how to read the display, understand the navigation structure, and understand the parameter abbreviations. Setting the EKE 100 as a valve driver is shown in the following sequence. We should then configure the EKE 100 valve driver input signal for one ETS12C valve, and in this example we set the signal to be 0 to 5 volts. The setting is done as follows. From the main switch CR12 mode, press the arrow down key several times to access the driver A input signal, specified as A in. Press the Enter key to access the available input signals. You can see the different values and corresponding input signals in the overview shown here. Press the arrow up or arrow down keys to get the needed value. Select 2 corresponding to an input signal of 0 to 5 volt. Press the Enter key to confirm the value and return to the A in mode. Press the arrow up key to return to the main switch CR12 mode. Please refer to the EKE 100 user guide for details about how to read the display, understand the navigation structure, and understand the parameter abbreviations. Setting the EKE 100 valve driver input signal to be 0 to 5 volt is shown in the following sequence. The next step is then to do the EKE 100 valve A configuration by selecting the ETS12C stepper motor valve as valve A, and it is done as follows. From the main switch CR12 mode, press the arrow down key several times to access the valve A configuration, specified as AJ00. Press the Enter key to access the available valves. You can see the different suitable valves and related values in the overview shown here. Press the arrow up or arrow down keys to find and select the needed valve. Select 29 corresponding to an ETS12C valve. Press the Enter key to confirm the value and return to the AJ00 mode. Please refer to the EKE 100 user guide for details about how to read the display, understand the navigation structure, and understand the parameter abbreviations. Selecting the ETS12C stepper motor valve as part of the EKE 100 valve configuration is shown in the following sequence. Since we in this video configure the EKE 100 2V version to be used only with one ETS12C valve, then we need to set the valve B as not used. This is done as follows. From the AJ00 mode, press the arrow down key to access the operation mode B, specified as BCTR. Press the Enter key to access the available operating modes. As seen from the operation mode overview shown here, then the value should be set as 9 for valve B to be not used. Press the arrow up or arrow down keys to get the needed value. Select 9 corresponding to valve B not being used. Press the Enter key to confirm the value and return to the BCTR mode. Press the arrow up key to return to the main switch CR12 mode. Please refer to the EKE 100 user guide for details about how to read the display, understand the navigation structure, and understand the parameter abbreviations. Setting the EKE 100 2V version for one valve operation is shown in the following sequence. After you have completed the configuration of the EKE 100, you need to log it again. This is done as follows. From the CR12 mode, press the Enter key to change the off setting seen here. Press the arrow up key to change the setting from off to on. Press the Enter key to confirm the on setting and return to the CR12 mode. The EKE 100 is now locked and ready for operation. Please refer to the EKE 100 online display interface configuration videos 1 and 2 and the EKE 100 user guide for details about how to read the display, understand the settings, navigation structure, and understand the parameter abbreviations. Locking the EKE 100 is shown in the following sequence. You have now completed the display interface configuration video 3 for the EK100 superheat controllers and valve drivers. So now you know how to unlock the EK100 so that you can configure it. You know how to set the EK100 as a valve driver for one ETS12C stepper motor valve. You know how to set the EK100 valve driver input signal to 0 to 5 volts. You know how to do the EK100 valve configuration by selecting one ETS12C valve. You know how to set the EK100 2V version for one valve operation only. And finally, you know how to lock the EK100 again after completing the setting. All this ensuring a correct and safe system operation. Please check out the other online videos about EKE100 display interface configuration. Have a look at the other online learnings about the Danfoss EKE100 superheat controllers and valve drivers. Thanks for watching.